So just by petting the cat, has the exam actually begun?
Absolutely, Steve. There's a lot of things that we can pick up on an examination in a cat, yes, even indoor cats, that might not be evident to owners at home. For example, with Roxy, and I'm going to move her very slowly here, but I'm going to look through her coat very closely to make sure that I'm not feeling any lumps or bumps that shouldn't be there. I'm going to listen to her heart. Heart murmurs are very common in cats, and that's not something you're going to be able to detect at home.
And heart disease can be asymptomatic, so as a pet owner, I would not know.
Absolutely. Heart disease usually is asymptomatic, meaning the cats have no symptoms at home. I will also take a good look at Roxy's mouth to check for any evidence of dental disease. And she does have some tartar on her teeth. Her gums are a little bit red. We'll talk about that in a bit. But that's something that often goes undetected by owners at home. And I want to get a real good feel of her neck to see if I can feel an enlarged thyroid gland. That's pretty common in middle-aged to older cats, so that should be part of a thorough examination in every cat. So even though it may seem like we're just petting and having a good time with Roxy,
Which you're doing.
which we're doing, we evaluate every organ system and we evaluate it thoroughly in order to best assess her health care and what our plan should be moving forward with her.
So as Roxy's years advance just a little bit, are there differences in the checkup itself?
Cats are very much masters at hiding any pain, so it's important that we do evaluate every organ system in every cat. A good example is arthritis, which is very prevalent in cats, probably more so in older cats. Cats with arthritis do not limp or do anything that we as humans might consider obvious. Cats may just be slowing down, and that's a classic sign of arthritis in an older cat. That may prompt me to want to do some further testing in a cat that's older versus a younger cat.
And here's what I know. Going to a cat-friendly practice truly does make a difference, not only for the cats, but for you too. And definitely visiting the veterinarian at least once a year for a checkup can actually save your cat's life. Veterinarians can do a whole lot today, but they can't do anything if they're not seeing your cats.